So is that my heartbeat or like my blood?
That's your.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, good morning guys. It is a bit chaotic here this morning. My midwife appointment was supposed to be yesterday. Then it was changed to Thursday, and then it was changed to today at 10 a.m. It's 8:45 now. We have to leave at 9:30. So I'm just getting some scrambled eggs and fruit done up for Miss Amelia and myself. Of course, I'll try. And then I think we're going to the beach with Bethany and Ryerson. It seems so hot out already though. And like I said, I'm not like a sun heat person, but I know they have lots of shade there, so hopefully we can work something out. Do you want to say hello? Can you say hi? Say hi, friends. Sorry, I guess not. Maybe later. It takes a bit to wake up in the morning. But I'm just going to finish these eggs. And then, yeah, so breakfast and then off to the midwife appointment. I'm hoping that she's going to try and hear the heartbeat today. Sorry. With the Doppler. And if she is, I'm going to try and film it so you guys can hear it. But anyways, I can't do this with one hand, so I got to go. But I'll update you after the midwife appointment, okay? Yay!
It may take me, even if we do find it, it may take me a bit, okay?
I appreciate your patience.
Alright. I still need to bring your pants quite a bit more here. That's what I feel where your payment bone is. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
That's you.
So is that my heartbeat or like my blood?
That's your.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, baby. All right, so just leaving the clinic. Everything looked good. She tried to hear a heartbeat, but it's still too early, and if we would have heard it, it would have been like a bonus, but which obviously gives you concerns, right? I don't know if he's talking at me. Obviously gives you concerns, but I know that it is early. I think we finally heard it with Amelia at like 13, 14 weeks. But the fact that no cramping, no bleeding, and I'm still quite nauseous are all really good signs that everything's still okay. She's actually going to send me for another dating ultrasound in Kingston, so in a bigger city, bigger hospital, some better technology, because from where I'm pretty sure I ovulated, because I temp and test and do everything like that, to where their dating ultrasound put me at the local hospital was a week difference, which is kind of, I mean, it'd be one thing if I wasn't sure when I ovulated, but I'm 99% sure I did. So she's gonna send me for another dating ultrasound, just to kind of confirm things, which I'm totally fine with, because it's another chance for me to be able to see the baby again. So I'm totally fine with that. And so we are just now off to the beach, to meet up with their friends Bethany and Ryerson. Ameliya, I'll be shocked if she doesn't fall asleep. It's like 5 minutes away, and I'll be shocked if she doesn't fall asleep on the way there. But oh well. So we'll see. Should be fun. Never beached it with Ameliya before. I have a little a little life jacket thingy, so we'll see if she even lets me put that on. But anyways, let's go to the beach. Alright, so we got home a little while ago from the beach. It was a really fun day. Thank God that Bethany, she had this like half tent thing that sits on the beach, and so we were able to be relatively close to the water, which was nice. But it was so hot, so hot and so sunny. It was nice whenever the sun just kind of peeked behind the clouds for a bit. And Ameliya, oh my god, okay, so it was her first time actually like at a beach like that before, and when she finally got like used to like dipping her toes in the water, she all of a sudden wanted to like run out, but she doesn't know that it gets deeper, and so she started running and just face planted, and so Beth and I both like grabbed her out from underneath the water. Oh my god. It was like she tried to drown herself like 10 times today, but like she'd see the ball and she'd try to run after the ball and she would just oh my goodness. Anyways, she was asleep before we even left the parking lot, which I was like, oh, I knew it would happen because she hadn't had a nap yet. But for me, I was like, no, like I'm so tired. Can you not wait until we get home? So I drove around and she had a good like 45-minute nap. And then we get home and I was like, no, I'm too tired. I can't function. You're going to come back to bed with me. So it was a bit of a struggle, probably 20 minutes. We laid in bed and I was like, shh, sorry, shh, shh, go to sleep. And finally she did. And I was like, all I need is like 30, 45 minutes. So we just woke up and I looked at the clock. 2.5 hours later. Obviously we both, oh, are you okay? Obviously we both needed a little bit of a nap, so can you say hi? What's that? Kitty! Is that a good cookie? I was gonna give Luke a call and see if he can. I'm craving like taco fajita something. So I'm gonna see if we have stuff here, but if not, I'm gonna see if he can stop at this place called Quesada that just opened up a little while ago and see if he can pick that stuff up. So I don't have to cook, but we'll see. Okay, so dinner went well. We actually had everything that we needed for fajitas in the fridge, so that was nice. So I didn't have to have Luke pick anything up, except Ameliya just wanted to eat the wrap part of it. So that didn't go very well, so we'll see. I may have to give her something else before bedtime tonight. Yes? And we tried to vacuum the pool tonight and nothing. Like you couldn't see the bottom, like nothing. So I'm gonna have to take a water sample up to, I burnt my nose today. I'm gonna have to take a water sample up to town tomorrow and see if what's going on and see if they can recommend something, because it's gross. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. If you enjoyed the vlog today, give it a thumbs up, leave a nice and friendly comment below, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.